Hey guys, welcome to my page. I've had a lot of people that I've seen on here who are just starting carnivore, and I've been doing a ketogenic lifestyle for a while, so I wanted to give you guys some tips on being a beginner carnivore. I was keto for 6+ years. Before that, I was paleo for about 11 years, but after keto, I just decided I wanted to move the level up a little bit about a year and a half ago, and I started carnivore. So let me tell you my favorite tips. My first tip would be for you, if you're brand new to carnivore, stop thinking of it as a weight loss diet. Yes, you will lose weight if you need to lose weight, and you can gain weight if you need to lose weight, but it is a lifestyle change and it is for your health majority. So stop thinking of everything as a diet. Tip number 2, I would say, make sure that you kind of do an elimination diet to start with. I would start with beef, butter, bacon, and eggs for a couple of weeks to a month, and then you can go ahead and switch over. After you've done beef, bacon, butter, and eggs for a couple of weeks, because that kind of eliminates things, kind of starts you off a little strict, you can add things back in. If you add dairy back in and you're not doing well, you don't feel like you feel good, or if you are trying to lose weight, even though we're not thinking about this as just a diet, eliminate some of that dairy for the time being, and then you can, or all of it, and you can add it back in. My other tip is, don't be overwhelmed by the different kinds of people doing carnivore. There are so many people doing carnivore, and everybody does their version of what they want to do. There are a lot of types of carnivore. There's super strict, which is like the lion diet, all the way down to sort of meat-based heavy keto or ketovore. Those all are ketogenic diets. They're all better than the standard American diet. So you just have to find where you lie, where you feel like you can stick to what you're comfortable with and sustainable. I almost forgot. Make sure you're getting some electrolytes in, especially when you first start eat carnivore or keto, especially if you're coming from the standard American diet, because you're going to be detoxing off of all that food and sugar and carbs, and you're going to have what they call keto flu. So you want to make sure you have some electrolytes. I like Salty, which is by CHOW, but there's lots of other brands out there that you can try or find. Whether you get flavored or unflavored is how strict you're going to be on your journey. So check some electrolytes out. Make sure you're getting those in. My last tip I'm going to give you is keep it simple. Just get some meat, get some good fats, butter, tallow, bacon grease, all those good fats that you can cook with or put on top of your food to add more fat. Some people do coffee, some people don't. That's up to you. I still do coffee. I don't do sweetener in my coffee, not because I'm against sweeteners really, but mostly because I eliminated it a long time ago in my coffee. I do heavy whipping cream. Sometimes I'll do butter in my coffee here and there. When I'm doing beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, I dig butter coffee. But you have to do what works for you. That's the most important thing. But I'm here. I'm going to have some recipes coming. If you have any of your own ideas, put them down in the comments.